To make these crossed treble crochet stitches, we're going to chain 2 after the last set, and then we'll look at where the last stitch of the last set was, and from there we're going to skip 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'll place my next stitch here. So I'll yarn over twice for a treble, place my hook in this stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop, and yarn over, and through 2 loops, and yarn over, and through 2 loops, and yarn over, and through 2 loops. Then chain 1 in between, yarn over twice for the next treble, and we're going to count backwards from where we place this stitch, 1 and 2. That's where we'll place the next one. So hook in, and then we have to bring it in front of the stitch that we just made. Okay? It came up behind. We're going to bring it in front of the stitch we just made. Yarn over and pull through the stitch, and yarn over and through 2 loops, and yarn over and through 2 loops, and yarn over and through 2 loops. And that finishes the crossed treble crochet stitches.